Hi, it's Bethany. Welcome to today's video. Today I'm going to be planning out Friday, March 19th in my daily plum paper planner. This is the smaller one, the A5 size. So today I'm going to be using this beautiful kit from Alexandra Nicole Plans. It is formatted for the plum paper daily in the A5 size, so that will be perfect. And I'm also going to be using these new markers I got, clean color dots. This is, let's see, this one is the color Ocean. And then this one is the color Salmon. There we go. So I'm going to be using these as well. I saw these on Julie's Plans and I immediately went to buy them because I'm like, I need these in my life. They create a really nice dot on your page if you just stamp them because they've got this nice round tip. And it just creates a nice like bullet point dot instead of having to do like a, square highlight or like a checkbox. I'm really excited to play around with these and give these a try. And of course, I'll link them down in the comments below as well if you want to check them out yourself. All right, so our biggest news, I guess, is that Wesley is out of quarantine as of yesterday. So it's so nice to be able to like see him again and be with him. And it's so hard as a mom to like not be able to see your kid for, over a week. That was really, really hard. I think it was harder on me than it was for him. He didn't seem too bothered by it. But for me, it was pretty rough. So I was really happy to see him again yesterday. He's doing way better. Obviously no symptoms. That's why he could come out of quarantine. So that was really the highlight of the week. What's nice about these Alexandra Nicole Plans kits for the daily is that there's this box for covering this and also a box for covering this area. And not all of the plum paper daily kits that I've seen do that. So I totally appreciate it in her kits. Oh, and if I didn't mention it, this is kit 40, and you can check out the description box for a discount code to her shop. So while I'm doing this, I'm trying to decide if I want to use any of the labels to relabel things, because I like the labels that I have. It's nice that, plum paper will let you do that customization. But sometimes it's also nice to be able to cover it and mix up, especially when you've got a kit with new labels. So I'm just kind of thinking maybe I want to relabel anything, but we'll see. In planner news, I think that I've received all the planners I purchased now and I've started kind of looking at them. The one that's like an automatic dud to me was the Happy Planner. I love watching other people's plan with me's in the Happy Planner, and I love the Happy Planner sticker books, but it was so, like I did one spread and I had a Happy Planner Classic Vertical is what I bought, and I tried it and it's just really not for me. I struggled so hard. I think it took me like 2 hours to put together a spread. When I was done, I really didn't like it. It felt very decorative, which that planner is, which is great. At least it feels more decorative than others to me. But I didn't feel like I had a lot of structure and ways to, what am I trying to say? Organize things. It's just, there wasn't enough lines and structure in it for me. So I think that one is the one that I can automatically rule out as not for me. I'm glad I tried it and it is undated, so I can still use it again in the future if I'm like, I really feel like playing with it and trying some things out. It's still available to me, but yeah, that's not, I'm not going to be moving over to the Happy Planner anytime soon. And I think I mentioned in another video that I was afraid that the discs would be wobbly or not stable, and that was not the case at all. So it did feel very sturdy. It's mostly just the layout of that, the vertical where you have the three kind of main boxes. I just wasn't about it, and I could probably figure it out over time and get used to it, but why do that when I have other things I'm really excited about, like that Amplify planner that I just posted a video about yesterday. I am really excited about that, and actually I'm like, I wish that one started now because I would totally love to try that thing out. So I think what I'm gonna do is I can't decide if I want to relabel things. Let's just leave it as it is. So I think this will be to do here. We'll leave that one as the same, and I think top 3 is good for this top box. Why not? Let's do top 3. And today's schedule, that works out great for here. And I'm going to do evening for, instead of where I usually have home, so that'll go here. Okay, and then I'm gonna put remember kind of for the self-care area that I usually do here. So yeah, I'm gonna keep it my classic, and how I like to do it is work to-dos, home to-dos, self-care, and then my schedule over here. I think for this day, I am going to use these from Ever Changing Plans. This is the A5 daily time strips in the 1 hour, and there is a bunch of like stuff you can use down here for like 40 at the 45, the 15, and the 30 if you wanted to put those on top. I don't think I need any of the bottom pieces, but I do want to use this 8 o'clock strip, 8 to 5 over here. And I think with these, you kind of need to trim the top one a little bit if you've got washi covering like I do, because I think I put that washi too far down. Trying to get it right on the lines. It's still even overlapped a little bit. I think that's okay. Okay, so now I'm going to use these, and this is what I'm super excited to try. So this one specifically, when I was testing it, is very inky, so, and I've got a lot of area to fill. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go every other line, I think, because otherwise I have a lot of trainings going on, like training time tomorrow. And I know if I give myself too many to-dos, I'll be overwhelmed. So this is one way to avoid that. I'm just gonna go every other line with this thing. And I'm just pressing, and it makes this perfect little circle. And then I've noticed that like it looks like there's a kind of, it's more concentrated in the middle, but it kind of starts to even out as you let it dry. And then I'm gonna do the home to-dos in this pink one. It'll kind of match, and I think that will be cute. That was really, really easy. I like that quite a bit. I think I need to practice and get it more like straight next time, but overall, I like that quite a bit. I think that I will do, let's do the pink again over here as well. The pack I got actually has 12 colors in it, but these are the ones that I thought worked the best with this particular kit. And I'm gonna do 3 over here as well. I'm getting a little straighter, maybe. One more sticker I want to be sure to use is this little meal utensils sticker, because tomorrow we've got dinner is the sausage skillet thing, and I'm cooking, so I want to remember to do that and defrost stuff. So next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to try to kind of cut some of these labels so they go around the sticker and use them for the trainings that I'm doing. So I'm just going to take a scissor and just cut, and hopefully I'll cut off enough so that it will fit right around that other time sticker that I just added. So on Friday, I've got a training that's actually 2 hours long, but starts at 9, and then I have another one that starts at 2. Like I said, they're both 2 hours long, but I'm just gonna mark them here. All right, I think that's looking pretty cute. I'm going to go in and write in the rest of the stuff I've got going on for the day, and then this is almost there. Here we go. That is the daily for Friday, March 19th. I really like how this turned out. I don't think I've ever seen an Alexandra Nicole Plans kit that I don't like though, so I kind of knew going into it I was gonna like this spread, but everything's organized for tomorrow. I'm feeling really good about it. I really do like these dots, and I can definitely see myself using them quite a bit because it was so easy to just quick stamp it and not have to draw a checkbox. And also just to mix it up, right? Because you could do that with a mild liner as well, but it will look square, right? So I thought that was nice just to have the little circle, and really, really nice pickup. switch up and something that I think will be a nice planner tool to have going forward. So thank you so much for joining all the way to the end. I totally appreciate you. That's my daily plan with me for today. Thanks so much for watching, and we will chat soon. Bye, guys.